everybody, it's Maria Willis from Card Bomb here for Tonic Studios, and I'm just popping in to let you guys know that this coming Friday, March 26th, we will be launching our newest release of the Stamp Club. It's a super fun one, and you can catch sneak peeks starting now here on the Tonic Studios Facebook and Instagram accounts, as well as over on my accounts at Card Bomb by Maria Willis. We will see you on Friday with the full release, and until then, enjoy the sneak peeks.